So today we're going to focus on how to install cover clips to go with your new hot tub cover. First thing you're going to want to do is locate where the hardware is for the cover clips. And typically it's on the end of one of the locking straps. So you see it's on this one here. Take that off. This little baggie here has your screws and your keys to install your locking straps. With the hardware removed, you're then going to want to put your cover on properly around the whole tub. When you do this, make sure you pull your skirt down on each one of the corners, and the cover is nice and centered on every spot. So you might have to check all four corners, make sure it's even, properly positioned down on the tub. With it properly centered, you can now start to install the cover straps here. Now these locking straps come off simply through a pinch. They have a key to lock this in place so you don't leave the tub unattended. The locking straps are adjustable as well, so you can tighten and loosen it, and depending on where it's located. So what you want to use that for, make sure you keep an eye out for cover lifters or any other brackets installed to the side of the tub. And you can adjust the locking strap as to where this needs to go. So to position this, you want to line it up nice and straight. Okay? And you want to go a little bit higher to where this is taut. That gives you tight. That gives you a little bit of play to be able to tighten it down if need be. In this case, we've already actually pre-drilled some holes as to where this can be. So the way this is going to work, position it like this, bring it up a little bit, pop this, and you don't want to get to your, well, let me redo this because I didn't get my screws out. So with your bag, you know, 2 screws, okay, position this as to where this needs to be. Up a little bit higher, pop that, line your screws up, this in place. Now when you have the first one in, test it, make sure you didn't go down too far. So it's still nice and tight. So that's nice and tight. That's good. Then it can now give me some space to put the second one in. That's nice and secure. That's nice and tight. If it's not, you can adjust the strap to pull it up so that it is. The tighter this is on the locking strap and the skirt, the more heat retention that the cover will maintain and ensure a more efficient tub. This is how you install the cover clips.